Remove contents from the packaging and layout. Position the brackets into the side guides. Using the alcohol wipe provided, clean the area of the window in which the adhesive side guides will be placed and dry using a paper towel. Peel off the protective layer on the adhesive strip located on the back of the side guide and apply to the window as shown. Install as close to the edge of the window beading as possible. When attaching the handle, push flush with the bottom bar and slide until it has covered the screw block. Add top, left and right headrail holders on top fixing brackets. Secure the headrail holder to the side guide using the locking clip on each side. Push the blind into the headrail holders from the bottom until you hear a click on the left and right side. Push the locking covers for the headrail holders into position. Take the bottom left and right cord end caps and place them onto the fixing brackets at the bottom of the blind. Using the multi-tool, push the side clips behind the bottom bar and slide them towards the side guides to the left and right until a click is heard. Attach the wand to the tilter. To raise and lower the blind, simply raise and lower the blind to the desired position by firmly holding the handle or handles. Slats need to be opened when raising or lowering the blind. To adjust the angle of the slats, simply twist the wand. If you wish to change the level of tension on the blind, this is possible using the 1.5mm Allen key which was supplied with the blind. The fit to frame Venetian will be supplied with excess cord at the bottom of the blind. This is to allow you to retension it to your desired level. To do this, simply use the Allen key to loosen the grub screw on the bottom end caps. With the grub screw now loosened, you can either increase or decrease the tension of the blind. Happy with the tension level, simply tighten the grub screw. Once the tension on both sides of the blind is at the desired level, we would recommend making a small knot in the bottom of the cord to ensure it is locked into position. When completely satisfied by the overall tension, you can now trim the cord to make it more sightly.